Welcome back to another video. Today we got the giant liquidation email from Harbor Freight. It says making room for unbeatable tool deals. Sale starts today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool deals. Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the first one. 1750 PSI electric pressure washer for $79.99. This is a great item. I do have it. Still works. I'll link the video up here on the right hand corner up above. 24 feet, 18 bulb, 12 socket, outdoor string lights, $19.99. 125 Flux core welder for 99 bucks. Yes, the boxes are here, guys. All the colors. So the 44-inch by 22 is available in all colors, all 6 colors. So we got blue, black, red, green, orange, and yellow for $449.99. So that is a smoking deal. Not a smoking deal, but it's a great deal. These boxes are a good value for your money. For the $449, it's great value. You're getting a nice solid box, casters, and nice roller bearings there. It does have 5 stars, so it's a great tool there. We got the alkaline batteries, AA, AAA 24 pack, $44.99. However, I believe Harbor Freight did come out with the better brand, like Energizer and Duracell, comparison. Those are the blue ones, the Thunderbolt blue, the blue batteries. Reciprocating saw with rotating handle, $19.99. Foldable sawhorse, $8.99. 3-in-1 electric blower, vacuum mulcher, $39.99. I do have this one. I'll link the video up above. 3500 super quiet inverter generator, $6.99. 13-piece half-inch drive JP pack socket set, $19.99. I do have this too. 200 lumen LED super bright flip light, $2.99. I do have this too. I put it in my closet where it's real dark and there's no electricity, so I put that in the closet. It works real good. 4.5 cutoff wheels for a pack of 10, $5.99. 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. 6 variable speed dual action polisher, $49.99. 2-piece titanium high speed steel step bits for $13.99. I still have to buy some of these and try them out. I haven't tried them out yet. Tilton flat panel TV mount for $19.99. 18 by 12 hardwood movers dolly for $7.99. Rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack for $79.99. Then you got the click type torque wrench, $11.99. You got the choice of 3. You got the 1/4, 3/8, half an inch. I do have a half an inch. Works real good. 8,750 max starting, 7,000 running. Generator, $539. Great generators, by the way. 14-inch electric chainsaw, $39.99. Does have a 5-star rating. 588 lumen tactical flashlight, just under $10. Does have 5 stars. 12,000 pound truck SUV winch for $2.99. 3-ton heavy duty steel jack stands for $18.99. Sometimes we see these for $16.99. So just to let you guys know. Rapid pump steel professional 3-ton super duty steel floor jack for $179.99. 2-ton capacity foldable shop crane, $174. 23 feet auto feed handling electric drain cleaner for $99.99. I do have the review on this one. I do have this item still. I used it to unclog my kitchen drain. It was real nasty. I do have the video. Viewer discretion advised. It's a nasty video, but I try to edit it and clean it out as much as I could so you guys won't see all the bad part. But anyways, I do have a review on that, and I'll link it up above. Airless paint sprayer kit, $169.99. Full motion TV wall mount, $39.99. Solar rope lights, $8.99. I did buy one of these, and half of the thing lit up. So I don't know if I just got a bad one or I don't know. OBD2 code reader with ABS SRS fixed assistant, $179. 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99. 10 feet by 20 feet car canopy, $9.99.99. Just under $100. You got two 10 50 amp 12 volt battery charger engine starter, $120 or $29.99. You got the half an inch 25 professional breaker bar, $14.99. These are great. I still have to get mine. Camel touchscreen performance work gloves, $12.99. These are, I believe, these are touch screen. Yeah, these are touch screen. So if you guys got a cell phone and you guys and it's cold weather, you can use, or working, you can use those. 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $89.99. 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $99. I do have the unboxing video. I do have the saw. It works real good. 20 volt maximum volts lithium coreless extreme torque, half an inch, $234.99. Got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics tool carts, $189.99. I do have this one. I have the blue one. Works great. I love it. 21-gallon oil-free lube air compressor, $159.99. Usually they go on sale for $149, so just keep an eye out for that price. 20-gallon oil air lube compressor for $169.99. If you want the upgraded version of this with better valves and better version, it's worth paying that much. 6.5 horsepower, 212cc OHV horizontal shaft gas engine, $99, just under $100. 4-channel wireless surveillance system, $229. 60 LED solar security light, $24.99. You know what, guys? I owe you guys a review. I do have this item, and I did the first review. But I'm going to be doing the 1-year review on this item. So, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe for that. I will be coming up with that either this week or next week if I'm not too busy. But I will get that out. .50 cal metal ammo can, $12.99. These are great for storage. Even for the shop. If you guys don't want to have guns, you could use it for the shop. It's a nice looking box. 15 amp pro demolition hammer kit, $299.99. 17 feet multi-task ladder, $109.99. Air hoses, $19.99. 310 lumen headlamp, just under $10. 18 working platform step tool, $19.99. Trucker's chain, $29.99. Triple bob trailer hitch mount with hook, $29.99. 5-piece flex head ratchet. I do have the non-flex, but I do have the ratcheting wrenches, and I love them. To work real good. I haven't had one break on me yet, so we are doing real good on that. 3,800 lumen, 22 combo light bar, $79.99. 900, 700 running watts, 2 horsepower, $89.99. Just make sure you run your stabilizer. So anytime you're running a 2-cycle engine, even if it's your lawnmower or your weed eater, put the stable on the fuel. It'll run much cleaner and nice, smooth. 56 by 22 extra deep cabinets, $679.99. You got all the colors now. You got blue, black, red, green, orange, and yellow. Beautiful colors boxes. MIG 170 professional welder with 120 to 40 volts. Titanium, $449. 8-gallon 150 psi portable oil-free air compressor, $114. You got the 1195 pound capacity 4 feet by 8 feet heavy duty folding trailer, $259. I do have this trailer, by the way. I do have this. That's where I keep all my solar stuff. I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a solar system a DIY which I built myself. And I do have batteries and charge controllers and all kinds of stuff. And I do have it on top of this trailer. So um, just watch my videos. You can go on their toolhead and look at my solar videos, and you'll see that trailer. It's modified. It's black. 50 inch, yeah, 50-inch clamp and cut edge guide, $14.99. 12-volt lithium cordless 3/8 extreme torque ratcheting kit, $99, $99.99. MIG Flux welding cart, $29.99. 2 semi-trash gasoline engine water pump, $174.99. 390 lumen, $24.99. This is great, guys. I use it for work. Still works real good. Holds a charge. Chipper shredder, $4.29. 12-tone chop press, $99.99. You got the 20-volt lithium cordless 1/4 hex impact driver kit. This is a great drill, guys. You guys are looking for a drill and you do a lot of DIY projects at home. This is I believe this will get you on the professional field. I believe this will do good if you put it through an 8-hour, 40-hour a week type of scenario. Batteries are great. They are Samsung. The drill itself, I do have a couple videos where I did the unboxing, the 1-year review, and well, not on this one, I did the other one. But I do have the tear down. I do tear all this down and look at the insides after 1 year. And I do have another video too. Oops. I do have another video where I'm actually taking lug nuts off with this. I know it's not, it's not the proper way to use this tool. This tool is not designed for that, obviously. But I just did it for the sake of you guys, because you guys got a lot of questions. See if this guy has enough power, enough strength to take those lug nuts off. So I did a video of that. And I'll see if I can link that up above. If I can't link all those videos up above, then either you could put two on the search on YouTube. You could put tool head 147 Hercules impact driver or drill, whatever you want to look at, and all my videos are gonna pop up right there. I'll see if I can link them on the description section too. Variable speed, that's a good price, $89.99. Variable speed, especially if the batteries. The bigger batteries are not so expensive. Multifunction power tool, $24.99. 2.5 amp SDS Max Type Pro Demolition Hammer, $229. Professional 12 dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, $299. It's a great saw. The bear did the Den of Tools did a review on this. So if you watch his channel, all you gotta do is just search the Den of Tools and look at the Hercules. 50 feet electric drain cleaner, $199.99. 3/8 by 50 feet retractable air hose reel, $59.99. 3/8 cubic feet cement mixer, $174.99. 3/4 by 50 feet commercial duty garden hose, $15.99. Rapid pump 1.5 tons lightweight aluminum floor jack, $5.99. Don't expect to lift a big SUV or big heavy truck. This is aluminum, so just keep that in mind. It's only 1.5 ton. That's for a light duty use. 2-tier easy store step ladder, $19.99. I do have this, works good. 16 by 30 industrial polyurethane. Yeah, service cart, $79.99. 2-piece 15,000 pound capacity vehicle dollies, $39.99. 1/2 inch composite pro extreme torque air impact wrench, $129.99. Heavy duty foldable aluminum sports chair, $19.99. Okay, I'm not gonna go over all of them. I'm just going over the ones that I have that I think there are great items or great deals. This is the 20-volt cordless 1/2 inch compact drill driver kit for $59.99. This is a solid drill for you guys if you guys do DIY. This is anywhere from light to um, medium type of projects, or if you're fixing a door or something at your house, this works great. These batteries, they have a big line now. They have saws, they have reciprocating saws, so you could use all that those batteries on different types of tools. They got a lot of tools now on those. This is a great item here. 4375 max starting, 3000 running watts, 6.5 horsepower, 349. The miter saw is nice. Let's see here. This bag is real nice. I do have this bag. That's where I put all my drills and stuff. My Hercules drills for 99 or just under $9 or $10. This is a 100-watt solar panel kit. I do have this one, and it's almost gonna be a year since I have it. And usually the lowest price we've seen it, it's $149.99. So you can wait around for that. Electric Flyswatter. This thing's funny. I do have the review on my channel. So just put a electronic Flyswatter tool head 147, and you'll see me shock myself on camera. So 3-piece hex drill socket drivers set, $2.99. This is actually the set I used to take those lug nuts with that Hercules drill. So that's the set I used, because I used the Milwaukee and it broke. Well, actually, I used one of these and it broke, because these things are not designed to take off lug nuts, just to let you guys know. That's not the purpose. This is just for driving a lag screw or something like that. Something not that heavy duty. And I was using one of these and it broke. So I'm like, these are cheap. These are crap or whatever. So I took my Milwaukee bit sets, socket adapter. So I took it to the lug nuts and I put it to the test, and it broke just like the one from Harbor Freight. That was $2.99. So I'm like, should I go get another Milwaukee, or should I go get another, Harbor Freight? So I went on Harbor Freight and got me a couple of those just to have extra, and I finished the video. Ammo dry box, $3.99. This is great. I have it, $3.99. I bought this a long time ago. It fell apart. So those screws fell apart and the whole thing fell. However, that was like 10 years ago. Yeah, probably like more than 10 years ago. They probably changed the item already, so it's probably a better item. This is a great deal. Swivel TV wall mount for $99, just under $10. Great deal there. Don't expect these to last forever. However, it'll get you the job done. $13.99. Yep, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. We got more tool reviews coming up, either today or tomorrow. And all right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.